Okay, now we're going to be talking about our 24 dBi parabolic directional antenna. It is by far one of the most popular antennas we sell, mostly because of the range that it gets. It is very directional, 7-degree wide radiation cone coming out from the front of it. So if you are outside of a 7-degree spectrum, you're not going to see any signals at all. A common complaint that we get is that there'll be a hot spot maybe 100 feet away and customers can't see it. That's mostly because you're not pointing at it. This thing can reach up to 8 miles. We hit 8 miles one time under ideal conditions, sitting in a downtown balcony pointing out over a residential area. But normal conditions are going to get you 1, 2, up to about 4 or 5 miles in a normal suburban neighborhood. You want to put that up on a pole and clear that all over the house and the trees. But it is a very popular antenna. It's very big. It comes in one of our custom boxes that we made just for this antenna. It ships 7 pounds, but most shipping is free depending on how you bought it from us. And it breaks down the middle. You assemble it yourself, but we actually have our own custom installation manual with pictures, step by step, screw here, screw there, so it isn't too difficult at all. It is mounted on a pole, balcony, or mast through a U-bolt system. Simple to use, just tighten the bolts, set and forget. Once you point and fixate on that spot where you want to send or receive a signal from, put it there. Wind will pass through. It is a grid mesh, so it is fairly weather resistant. You don't have to worry about that. The connector on the back of the antenna is an N-type connector. We suggest our LMR 400 cable that we pre-made here in our factory floor in USA. N-type ready for the back of it. Just like that. This specific cable is a TNC-RP connector on the other end so that your grid can talk to your router. This is for scenarios where you want to transmit your signal far away, you want to send it to a neighbor's house, or you want to send it to a specific location on your compound or barn, or just send it down the road, whatever it might be. If you want to bring in signals from far away, there's a coffee shop or a fast food restaurant, or your neighbor lives 2 miles, 3 miles away, and he's letting you use the signal, you can point right at it. Same connector on this side to make this happen. And you can use an alpha 1 watt. The more powerful the receiver, the better you're gonna get. Better transmitters, better receivers. That's the real important factor. It's just not the antenna. It comes with cable, transmitters, and receivers all come together. The higher the power, the more range you're gonna get. Fairly popular antenna, like I said. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us at support@SimpleWiFi.com or call our tech line Monday through Friday. Thanks.